Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on your Oppo A76. I'm going to show you 3 different ways, and the first way we can choose, the first option to take a screenshot, is the combination of 2 buttons. We need to press the power button on the right side and the loudness down button on the left side simultaneously, and then we take the picture, and we can see here this little preview. If we click on it, we have different options what we can do with this screenshot. We can change the image format, we can edit this picture, we can mark something, we can write something, etc. And finally we can save the image if we press here, save. And that's the first option to take a screenshot. The second option you have is the 3-finger method. You can put your 3 fingers on the screen and slide them down, swipe down, and then you create another screenshot. We have the preview. If we don't touch the preview, it will disappear, and all these screenshots are being saved in the photos. Here we can see all the items the screenshots we took. So the third option I'm going to show you is the option from above, and you have to swipe down to get to this area. Swipe down once more, and then we can edit these icons. So if we press here, we can choose another icon to drag that into this area, and we have here the screenshot icon. That's the little one down here, screenshot. And if I touch it and slide it up here, I can choose wherever I want to release it. So let's take this place, and finally I'm ready. I'm going back, and now I can see here in this area my screenshot icon. And if I press the screenshot icon, a screenshot will be taken from the view I had before. So I click on screenshot, and you can see a screenshot is being made from the screen I saw before I swiped down here my area where I took the screenshot from. So if we go on another place, then you can see it. Let's go to the telephone app. So now I'm going to slide down, swipe down, click on screenshot, and a screenshot will be done from where I opened my area. So I can click on it, and every time I click on a screenshot I have the same options. This one I'm going to delete, just right in the corner here, delete screenshot. And a special option you have with your screenshots is the scrolling screenshot, and if you go to the settings, you have to scroll down to get to the bottom. And if you are going to take a screenshot from here, let's take the option here, swipe down and screenshot, and then we can tap on scroll, and then he will scroll down or swipe down to the bottom until we click and tell him to be done. So we can click on done, and the process is ready. We've taken this kind of screenshot, a scrolling screenshot. So that's the option if you want to see more than your display shows. And let's save this one as well and go back to the photos, and there we can see now all the screenshots we took. Here is the last one, the scrolling screenshot, and from here you have the option, if you choose a picture, an item, to send it, to take it as a favorite, to edit it, to delete it, and many more options which you have with your screenshots. So I hope I could help you a little bit with your screenshots on your Oppo A76. If so, please let a thumb there and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see us next time. Bye!